Hey there guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to compare Cloudflare and Amazon CloudFront, two of the top content delivery and web acceleration platforms available right now. I'll break down their features, pricing, user experience, integrations, performance, and more. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one might be the right fit for your business or project. First off, let's get a quick overview. Cloudflare is an all-in-one platform that offers CDN, DNS, DDoS protection, web application firewall, caching, and security tools all wrapped up together. It's designed for simplicity, performance, and making websites more secure and faster without needing complex setup. Now, on the other hand, Amazon CloudFront is Amazon Web Services' dedicated CDN service, tightly integrated into the AWS ecosystem. It focuses primarily on delivering content at scale, reducing latency, and handling dynamic and static assets efficiently, especially for companies already using AWS infrastructure. Now let's talk about features. Cloudflare's standout strength is how it bundles a wide range of services into one easy-to-use package. You get global content delivery, automatic caching, edge compute through Cloudflare workers, bot mitigation, DDoS protection, SSL, and an intuitive dashboard. It's popular among businesses that want a one-stop solution for speed and security without hiring an army of engineers to configure things. CloudFront, on the other hand, is a pure CDN powerhouse. It offers highly customizable caching rules, integration with AWS Lambda at Edge for running code at edge locations, real-time logging, and detailed configuration options. It's best suited for developers who need precise control over delivery, optimization, and integration with other AWS tools like S3, EC2, and Elastic Load Balancing. Next up, let's talk about the user experience. Cloudflare's dashboard is simple, clean, and very easy to use. You can set up a site, manage DNS, create rules, and check traffic relatively fast. It's great even if you're not super technical. CloudFront feels a bit more advanced. Its interface is part of the larger AWS management console, which can feel overwhelming if you're not familiar with it. But for users who already know their way around AWS, CloudFront offers lots of customization and control. When it comes to pricing, Cloudflare has clear options. There's a free plan, a pro plan for $20 per month, a business plan for $200 per month, and an enterprise plan with custom pricing. Amazon CloudFront does things a bit differently. It uses a pay-as-you-go model based on how much data you transfer and the number of HTTPS requests. This can be cost-effective for larger projects, but harder to budget for smaller ones. So which one should you choose? If you want an all-in-one platform that is easy to set up, offers built-in security, and works great right out of the box, Cloudflare is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for small to medium-sized businesses and even large enterprises wanting a simpler approach. But if you're running a large-scale application already inside AWS and need deep integration with AWS services, plus advanced CDN controls, CloudFront is the better fit. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.